Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to solve a Pyramix. You can see I have a Pyramix video over here. So let me show you once by solving it. Okay. Wait. Wait. Let me solve it once for you. We are good now. It is also what? We solved it. You can see we have solved it. So now I'm gonna teach you how to solve it. So first let me scramble it. You can see I have scrambled it. So let me start with the basics. I hope you know that these three parts, this one and these two, this one and these two, these are the corners. I hope you know that. And the parts which are attached to the corners, like this one is attached to this corner, this part is attached to this corner, and this part is attached to this corner. These three parts are named as center, and the remaining part, this one, and this one, these three remaining parts are sides. So these one are the corners, these three are the corners, these three are centers, and this one are sides. First of all, we need to do is choose a color. I gonna choose blue. So first you need to do is take all the corners blue. Choose in such a way that all the corners come blue. You can see this blue is over here. We're gonna separate these and these two blue matched. This one blue is here. We're gonna do again all the three corners are of same color. Then we need to do is match the center. These centers, these two are matched. We're gonna match this. So let's turn it over until the blue comes. Yes, this one is blue. We have matched the center. Don't bother about this side, we're gonna see it after all. Then we need to take it below our band. This blue side which we are solving first should be at the bottom side. Now we're gonna take the sides. This side, you can see this one is blue. We're gonna see which color is attached to this blue. You turn it over, see a green side is attached. So what we're gonna do is match this green side with the center of another green side. You can see this one is green. Okay, I have some issues, so sorry. This one is green, so it is matched. So this blue, the opposite is green is matched with the center. What we're gonna do is the side which is matched, we're gonna the opposite side just take it up. This one is up, this side gonna go, this blue is matched down. Let's find another blue. Yes, this one. What is the center? Red. Take the red and match it. See, this red is matched. We're gonna this red of this side is matched, so we're gonna take this side upward. This one is from I've told not to bother. Take this around, matched, drop it down. Find the another blue. This here, yellow is matched. Take this one is up, down. Okay, we are good. So you can see that all the blue are mixed. With that, the first layer of all the colors, you can see all the color first layer, it is solved. This first layer of all the color solved. Now what we're gonna do is find a side. this one is random, so we need to do another thing. You take this one, this side should be matched with the center, this one unmatched, and the next one should be matched. We need to find such a sequence. We need to find, like here it is already made. This one is matched, you can see matched. This one is red, it is green, not matched, and the next one it should be matched. See, it is matched. So what we're gonna take is, take this side, take the right side, just take it down once, the left side down once, right side up once, and left side up once. You can see one blue is out. What you're gonna do is match the green. We have matched it. Just do as I said beforehand, and now boom, these two are left only. When we get this type of sequence where only these are left, then what we're gonna do is put the right side up once, turn this left, right side back, turn this left, and continue this sequence until we get matched. Again, up, left, down, left, and you can see we have solved. So guys, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like, comment and share. Thanks.